You see, this fish pie is very delicious. This fish pie is moist inside and flaky on the outside. If you want to know how I achieved this golden delicious meat pie, follow me, let me teach you. So here I have my capsicum. I'm using capsicum red and green, and then I added onions as well. So in my chop blender, I added a bit of oil just to help the blender, and here I'm adding a little bit of oil as well in my pot. So I'll be frying this. I have already chopped my onions. Yeah, I'll saute this for like 1 minute. Yeah, and then I went in with the blended capsicum. Yeah, so you keep frying this, and when it's done, you go in with your seasoning, curry, thyme, and salt. So you keep stirring until it's well cooked. And here I have my fish. I've deboned them. You can use Titus, you can use canned one, you can use fresh one. But in this recipe, I use the canned one. And then I've deboned and add it into the sauce. So this will only go on for just a few minutes. And now I just added my chopped carrots. So that is done, and I've set it aside. In my bowl here, I have my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I added baking powder and then salt. So now I'm mixing it, and then I went in again with my soft butter. So this is what you do with the soft butter and the flour. Make it form crumbs like this, and then go in with your milk. Make sure it's cold. You don't have to use milk, you can use cold water. And then again, I went in with 1 egg as well, and then I mixed. Don't over mix this, otherwise it will come out hard. So after I'm done with this, I covered it and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then I went in to prep my baking sheets. So go in with some butter and then some flour as well. And now I'm rolling out my dough. So I'm using this cutter. I cut out both small and big, yeah, different sizes, because I have 3 kids, so I'm doing this based on their age. So you can do yours anyhow you want. You can decide to do the big size or medium or small. So now I'm done with this, and I covered with another one. You can make any style, like design that you want on this. Just play around with your dough, yeah. So I'm done with this, and now I'm going in with some egg wash. Rub the egg wash. It's the egg wash that will give it that golden color that you want. Yeah, guys, so this is how you achieve that golden color. Once you're done with this, put it in the oven, yeah, and allow it to bake for 45 minutes. And guys, just look at this fish pie. Very delicious, very yummy. Just the way it looks, that is the same way it tastes. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all guys for watching, and please do support me with your like, comment. Give me a meaningful comment, guys. And follow if you have not started following me. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you all guys, and bye for now.